What's up, poetry lovers? Today I have a fun poem called Welcome to 2025. If you're alive and breathing and watching this transformation, I think you'll have a kick out of this one. Welcome to 2025. No one really thinks for themselves. They're just part of the hive. Cold expanse outside. Strange stress points fracturing. The blackberries taste bad because of mismanaged manufacturing. Attention on the highway, competing with message alerts. Watch the fuck out for the fucking billboard adverts. Advertising cliches, promising everything, but meaning nothing to you. They're a tragedy to the info comments, but the clowns don't have a clue. Colossal forces create a 2 feet deep blizzard spell, but socially, it feels like hell. Can't get in touch with my friends, just gotta make friends with the pictures on the wall, because no one feels well. Too much anxiety, no more control, can't you tell? We're living through the nightmare of the dominator culture come true. I forgot what community is. Do you still have a clue? Everything on Amazon, full fire sale. Still, I feel cold, empty, and impaled. I guess it's back to the gym and hope for something vaguely new. That's what the mind says, just to get some dopamine and cope. But it's getting bad enough that we forget how to hope. In the depths of it, you think, what naive bastard would believe that joke? But it changes and transforms all the time. All I have to do is think up another rhyme. There's not much more to say. It's fun, floaty, and yeah. I'm going to leave that one alone. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like. Otherwise, I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for listening.